Hello grade 2, welcome to our math subject. Our topic today is about half circles and quarter circles. Let us talk about half circle first. Half circle means each half circle is called semicircle. So this is the example of half circle. So half circle is also called semicircles, and if we combine two semicircles, then we are forming a whole. Okay, so please take a look of the other examples of half circles. There, can you see? So these are the half circles. Now, what you can see here is a quarter circle. In half circle, for us to make a whole, we need only two half circles. But here in our quarter circles, we need four quarter circles to make a whole. As you can see there, four quarter circles. Okay, so here are the other examples of quarter circles. There. Okay? Okay, I want you to look at the pictures here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please identify what numbers are the half circle. I'll give you time to think. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's identify number 1. Half circle or not? Alright, it's not a half circle. How about number 2? Okay, number 2 is a half circle. What about number 3? Very good. It is also a half circle. Number 4? Correct. Half circle. How about number 5? Correct. It is a half circle. Now, Teacher Bell is gonna show you another next set of pictures. Please wait. For this picture, 6 pictures, what numbers are the quarter circles? Ready? Think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are the numbers? Correct. It is number 1 and number 2. They are the quarter circles. Now, let's proceed to your book work. Please open your book on page 263. Math book, page 263. If you don't have your book, you can pause the video first, alright? So those who are ready, it says here the instruction, study the figures below, write the letters of the half circles and the letters of the quarter circles in the correct boxes. So as you can see, each shape here, there's corresponding letters A, B, C, D, E, F, up to G. Then you are there's a word here, half circle, then quarter circle. So let's proceed to letter A. Is that the letter A is a half circle or a quarter circle? So if it is a half circle, write the letter A in the box beside half circle. But if your answer is quarter circle, write it here beside the quarter circle. But I'll give you the answer in number letter A. The letter A is a half circle. Write your A there. Very good. Now it's your turn to answer B to G. Next one is the B. Half circle or quarter circle? Alright, next is letter C. Is that a half circle or a quarter circle? Okay, look at the letter D. Is this a half circle or a quarter circle? Done. Alright, letter F. Is this a half circle or a quarter circle? Okay, what about letter F? Half circle or quarter circle? And the last one, letter G. Half circle or quarter circle? Okay, done. Those who are not yet done, you can pause the video and play it again once you are finished. So for those who are done, let's proceed to our next topic, two-dimensional shapes. So what is a two-dimensional shapes? Okay, shape is a closed figure, and two-dimensional shapes, why two-dimensional shape? Because they have only 2 dimensions, the width and the height. and no thickness, hindi makapal, and they are just a flat. Okay, again, two-dimensional because they have only two dimensions, the width and the height, and they are just a flat shape. Okay, two-dimensional shape is also called 2D. All right, 2D shapes. So I will show you some examples of two-dimensional shape. So these are the two-dimensional shapes. The first one is a square. So look at this square. They have width and a height only. Okay, it has four sides and four corners. Another shape is a rectangle. Okay, with a height and width also. Two sides and two short sides and two long sides. And it has a four corners. And the last one of two-dimensional shapes is a triangle. It has a three sides and three corners. As you can see, they are flat. Okay po, they are flat. Okay, please open your book again and open it on page 268. Okay, the instruction here is you are going to circle all the two-dimensional shapes below. Okay, look at the first shape, second shape, third, fourth, fifth, next, and so on. Again, circle only the two-dimensional shapes. It has width and height, and it's a flat. Alright, that's the clue. Circle all the two-dimensional shapes. Done? So if you are not yet done, you can pause the video. Okay, let's proceed to the next topic, which is asymmetry. So what is asymmetry? In symmetry, we have what we call symmetrical figure and non-symmetrical figure. So when we talk about symmetrical figure, it has parts that match on both sides of a line along middle. So if we cut the picture sa middle, the left and the right side has the same figure. Look at this in our letter A. If we cut it in the middle, the shape of the right and the left side is the same, right? Also, the smiley face here, if we cut it in the middle, it is still the same shape. Also, the next picture, right? So, what about non-symmetrical figure? Let me show you. If the symmetrical figure has the same parts, when we cut it in the middle, the non-symmetrical figure has parts that do not match. Look at the first picture. It cuts in the middle and they do not match. Also, the second picture. Okay, so the symmetrical figure and non-symmetrical figure, it is easy to identify. Symmetrical figure, when we cut in the middle, both parts have the same. But the non-symmetrical figure, if we cut it in the middle, both parts do not match. Okay, so please get your book and open it on page 276. Okay, open your book, page 276. So, if you are not yet ready, you can pause the video, alright? So, now it says here, draw the line of symmetry in each figure. So, what is the line of symmetry? The straight line in the middle, okay? So, you are going to draw in the middle to show the symmetrical figure, okay? Alright, so you can pause the video if you are not yet done doing the line. Now for the down part, let's practice. Here, you are going to complete the outline to show a symmetrical figure. You are going to draw another, this one, right? Another one like this. And then the heart, the star, and then this one, and then this one. Okay? So, just pause the video if you are not yet done. But for those who are done, this is your assignment. Okay, for your assignment, study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of pages 263 263, 268, 268, and 276, then send it in our class dojo. That's all, everyone. Bye!